boots on the ground. Hello everybody. I'm really inconsistent with posting these videos, but the content is recorded. I just didn't post it. Today, I'm at my office. I'm sitting on the ground because I feel like I'm going through it. I am a week out from my powerlifting competition. I think I feel a little defeated because I couldn't bench 132 pounds, even though the people said I did it, but I don't think I did. But we'll see how I feel next week. Today I have 2 clients, and I realized that I probably haven't been taking care of my mental health, things that don't look like me taking care of my mental health, but it is my mental health. I don't think I've been taking care of it right. My this Nintendo that I bought, I think last November, has been collecting dust. And normally on a Saturday, I could just listen to a little true crime, a little documentary about whatever, and play in my bed, but I have not had that time to just sit. I also have my Kindle that, can you tell my favorite color screen, that I haven't been using recently. My mind feels really full. I also have other projects that I would love to complete, but I don't sit down to do them because my mind feels really full. You know what I'm saying? I don't have like space right now. I have an issue with like committing to plans that are like within the next few months because I can't like conceptualize time. Does that make sense? So, that's where I'm at today as a therapist and as a therapist in therapy. I got my chai latte. Only ate half of my breakfast. I don't even know where the rest of it is, and I got a cookie. Also been eating like I'm crazy. I don't even know. So I just recorded a video regarding the luteal phase, and this is what I wanted to put on Instagram. Maybe I'll clip it and put it. This is what I wanted to say. I recently stopped taking birth control. Just because, I was on it, I feel like, to level me out. But your girl started SSRI, so I thought I might be all right. But now without the hormonal adjustment, I am like feeling more things, and having to manage myself a little bit more. And I am noticing my fluctuations a little bit more. I feel like my body is new to me again, which is interesting. Anyways, I got some things from Amazon. Did I need them? Nobody asked that. I did, but nobody asked that. Let's open them, shall we? So my plan is, after this competition, that I am not going to be hitting the gym so hard. I think I do want to focus on following up with a physical therapist that I just started seeing for all the injuries that came about while I was powerlifting and preparing for this thing. So I can feel like I can use my legs again. That's one thing I want to do. To go along with that, I even need for this to segue into, I ordered a yoga strap to assist with stretching. I probably should do that today, because that was part of my homework for physical therapy. Yoga strap, boom. Then, this is the part I didn't need, but I ordered it anyway because I feel like I need it. I feel like I need a work bag because I've been bringing all my purses are like the same size. And then at some point I'm just stuffing them. I don't really want to stuff my bags. So we need a bag that can be stuffed. And then we'll leave the luxury bag at the house. Y'all consider Coach luxury? I feel like because I bought it, I don't think it's luxury, but whatever. Alright, so we got this bag. I think it's more like a gym bag because this is your yoga thing here. From Amazon. Puffy bag. So in here will go all my electronics that I walk around with on a regular basis, my tablet, because I also want to get back into writing. but I need to like schedule time out for that. I just need to schedule time out for things and be more diligent over my schedule moving forward after Saturday, after the competition. So these things that make me happy in here. My journal pen in here that I haven't written out. I should do that today too. And what else? We're gonna need lotion. We're gonna need pain reliever because you never know. You never know. But here's the thing, I'll be organizing my bag. So where these gonna go? Let's put them in here. Alright, that's it for that box. And then I ordered this. This was for business. That one was personal. So I have some clients that like these little pop things. So I ordered a whole sheet of them. So that they can bring them with them. Y'all, other therapist things. I bought worry stones. I think, how many come in the pack? 6, and they all have different textures. Can you see this? They all have different textures. This one's smooth. They've been a hit for the 2 clients that I actually think about when I order these things, because they like things, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, right now we are going to crack this bad boy on. I don't even know what I'm gonna play. Maybe something light that's not gonna stress me out. So we're not gonna play Hogwarts.